So I'm barely 11 months old as mayor. I was vice mayor before. Before vice mayor was the #1 city councilor of the city of Iloilo.
Wow.
So now I'm here because of I'm on my way to New York because kabatid mo siguro sa Dinagyang, which is the local version of the Ati-Atihan. Ati-Atihan, Aklan na yan. Ang sa Cebu is Sinulog, ang sa Iloilo is Dinagyang. So Dinagyang, sa nagligad niya ininga tuig, we celebrate Dinagyang every 4th weekend sa January. Mayroon na sa competition. And ang nagdaog was the one who represented Iloilo City sa Festival of All Festivals sa Manila, sa Liwan Festival, which is usually held every March. So dili mo makita ang festival sa Luzon, hasta sa Visayas, hasta sa Mindanao. Nag-compete naman na for the best festival. And for the second straight year, ang Dinagyang Festival has again been champion. So right now, ang status na sa Dinagyang sa Bilog ng Philippines, we are the back-to-back champion because we've also been champion last year. So this year, we were invited by the Philippine Independence Day Association in New York to be the mainstay sa ilang parade during the Philippine Independence Day celebration. The guest of honor is Vice President Jojo Binay, and of course the main performer is the Dinagyang. So knowing ang ako niya mother, Ali Dili, so naghatid ko anay sa iya before I proceed to New York. And that will be tomorrow at 12 noon because we will be performing, the Dinagyang is going to perform sa June 6 during their parade. So, yes, ang Bilog yung, not Bilog, 31 members of the 100 plus tribe will fly to New York June 2nd to perform there. So aside from that, this June 12th, I think they have been invited also to Washington DC to perform sa June 12th with by the ambassador. So unfortunately, I'll be flying back sa 7th because the U.S. ambassador is visiting Iloilo City on June 9. So by the time na June 7, mapuli ko dito kasi madungan pa kami sa plane. Si Harry Thomas Blamo. Black na siya. So siya sa ambassador. Nabisita siya sa Iloilo. Ang city Tasugong is, if you have the opportunity, please come and visit our city, Iloilo, the province as well, because since I became mayor, we've been doing a lot of things to improve the city of Iloilo. It's very promising. We've cleaned up the Iloilo River. Like before I left, we've started removing those structures, those structures at the back sa Malay. And last October I was also here because together with my wife we went to Chicago because Iloilo was a finalist sa Livable Communities Award, of which we got the bronze. It's an international award-giving body that is sanctioned by the United Nations Environmental Protection Program. And we got the bronze, and for Iloilo River we got a gold for it. So Iloilo City is very clean right now. We've started implementing the anti-littering ordinance. We also started implementing the anti-jaywalking, the anti-smoking ordinance. And aside from that, of course, there are a lot of there were 3 major concerns that Iloilo was challenged, and these were the flooding, the electricity, and the source of water. So recently, the flood control project is already in place. So last October, November, there were 3 major heavy downpour, but Iloilo did not experience any flooding anymore. So for electricity, we have last April 1st, the President of the Republic, President Benigno Simeon Aquino, or Noynoy, has inaugurated the 164 megawatt coal plant. So we have more than enough power. And wala na kita gawa brownout. And for water, MIWD recently nagbid na for the 30,000 cubic meter of water for delivery sa Iloilo. So as soon as it's done, so we will have more than enough water. So with these 3, Iloilo City is very promising right now. The Ayalas have been to Iloilo City. They have 1 techno hub, and they're putting up 2 more. That's going to be 3. We have Mega World, which is a 20 billion peso project, of which they're going to build a new 5-star Richmond hotel. And of course, there's going to be a theme park with a 15-story high Ferris wheel that will be between SM City and Mega World. And in front of SM City, for those of you who love malling, going to the malls, especially my mom, in front of SM City is a 21-story high condominium that is going to be built. That is going to be the tallest building. Our City Hall is now on its way. We hope to finish it on our 74th year, chartered year celebration, which will be on August 25th this year. So we will have a 7-story City Hall with cafeteria on the 8th floor. And of course, there's going to be a statue of Ilonggo Pride, which will be on top of the dome, that we more or less got inspired from the Lady of Freedom from the US Capitol. So we're going to put our own version. And of course, our Central Market, we're just done with the terms of reference, because we're going to put up a new building there, and it's going to be a joint venture. We would like to promote tourism. There are already several tour packages in the city of Iloilo. The rivers, what I've said, we'll clean it up, and we're going to put up an esplanade. An esplanade is a promenade beside the river. It's called an esplanade. So it's a 150 million peso budget that was placed by our very own Ilonggo Senator, Senator Frank Drilon. There is aside from the existing hospitals like Iloilo Mission Hospital, Iloilo Doctors Hospital, St. Paul's Hospital, Xavier Hospital, which was recently bought by
St. Luke's?
No, Capital Medical City in Manila. We're going to put up a new hospital, Medicus Hospital, and a Iloilo City Hospital that will be at the provincial hospital. And of course, Iloilo City does not have its own city community college, and we're going to put up a Iloilo City Community College, and we hope to open it by June of in 2012, next year. So the building is almost finished. It has been donated by the owner of by a private person who started this business in Iloilo City. It's called Mang Inasal. It's a chicken barbecue. So with this, we have a new place to go to, especially if your children would like to come to Iloilo. We have a new nightlife area there, night spot that's called Smallville. So there are a lot of nice things there, especially in the evenings. And of course, the latest addition is Plazuela Iloilo. It's owned by the Floretes. It's a big commercial complex beside SM City. And very recently is the opening of Starbucks.